Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am going to show you how to make this very beautiful handmade foam hair clip. These are Foamiran sheets. Some few days back I have created the roses using same foam. Isn't it very pretty and beautiful? So let's get started. For this we need iron, glue gun, some wired pollens, some pearls, 4 mm floral wire, 1 piece of sponge, pink color soft oil pastel, tweezer, scissor, any plain hair clip base, white, sap green and blue color foam sheets, and some flower punches and 1 thick floral wire. So first I have punched this flower using this flower punch and I have used white foam here. Now take some pink oil pastel on plastic sheet and apply this color on the edge of the flower petals using foam. Like this. Now take iron and hold the flower like this. It will automatically get cup shape. Don't take very hot iron, just put it on medium heat. Also I am taking this small punch flower and doing the same cupping process. Hold like this. So this is done. Now I will show you how to make this rose. For this I am taking total 4 large flowers and total 2 small flowers. So here I am making hole in the center using tweezer. Now take 2 wired pollens, twist it together . Like this. Insert through first small flower, add little glue using glue gun and push like this. Now take second small flower and insert and connect through glue. In the same way I will connect large 4 flowers. If you don't have paper punches, you can also cut these shapes using scissors. Now I am taking the sap green color flower punch and I am cutting the centers using scissor little bit till the center part of the flower to make these petals little more flexible. Now fold the petals like this and just twist all the petals together using your fingers. So the sepal is ready. Now create the hole in the center of sepal. Insert the flower bunch wire through this sepal. Add glue and connect the sepal with the flower. So the tiny cute pink color flower is ready. Now to make large rose, I am taking these 2 small petal templates. I had just traced these petals on this blue color foam and cut this shape. Now hold the large petal on iron and just twist using your fingers like this and just spread it from the center. Similarly do with the small petal. The small petal size is approx 1 centimeter and large petal size is 2 centimeter. So I have created total 8 large and 6 small petals. Now I am taking one piece of aluminium foil. Just make one ball. Take thick floral wire. Connect with this aluminium foil ball. Like this. And now to cover this ball, I am first taking one large petal. So cover it like this. Add little glue. And then start adding small petals one by one. Now I will start connecting the large petals. So the flower is ready. Now to make sepal, I am taking one small piece of sap green color foam. Just cut it like a leaf shape. The height of this piece is approx 4 centimeter. Now make some small slits around the leaf shape. Now I am adding some color using sponge on top of this and just twist the sepal using your fingers. So the sepal is ready. In the same way I have created some more sepals. So now take your flower and connect all the sepals on back side of the flower. it will look like this. Now to make leaf, I am taking one small piece of green color foam. First create the leaf shape and then make some small cuts around the leaf. Like this. Now add little soft oil pastel on top of this. Now take foam pad and create some textures using tweezer like this. So leaf is ready. Now I will show you how to make this bunch of pearls. For this I am taking this 30 cm long thin wire. Just fold this in half. Insert one pearl through this. Now twist this wire using your finger, and now take one side of wire and insert other pearl and just twist it again. So do this process till we add total 5 pearls. So the bunch of pearl is ready. Now I am wrapping the lower part of the bunch using green floral tape. So this is done. Now I will cut the wire from the flowers so that we can adhere these flowers on top of the clip. Now take the base of the clip. First I am taking sap green color foam. Apply some glue on this base and then connect this foam on top of this. Trim excess foam from the clip. Like this. Now first I will add bunch of pearls on both the sides. Then add glue in the center and add large blue color rose. Then I will connect 2 small roses. Then I am adding some leaves. Like this. And to fill some empty areas, I am using these punched tiny flowers. These are like a filler flowers. Like this. Now in the center of the blue flower, I am adding some glue and filling the center area using some blue color glitter balls. These balls give the flower little shine and it will give the fancy look to the clip. Isn't it looking beautiful? So the beautiful hair clip using Foamiran is ready. You can open the clip from back side like this. In the same way, I have created one small hair comb. I have just created the same flower using red and peach color foam. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.